Hey everyone, this is Kiran. Welcome back to our channel Create with Kiran. So in today's video, we will be making 4 different DIYs using glass jar and glass bottles. You can use them in different ways. You can keep them like a planter, like a table lamp, like a flower vase or candle holder. Or if you don't want to make anything, you can make them for storage purpose. Okay, so this is going to be very easy to make and cost friendly. If you like such type of videos, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get start the video. For our first DIY, I'm taking 2 pickle jars. I've already cleaned them and removed the labels. First, I'm gonna use this glue to stick both the jars. You can use glue gun instead. Make sure you stick both bottom parts of the jars. Why we stick like this? That we will see later. Then I'm taking this old bamboo mat, which is literally a very damaged one. Instead of this, you can use broomstick or skewers if you have. Then simply I'm gonna stick this mat with the jars using glue gun. Now securing the ends and cutting the extra. Covering the mat with yellow acrylic color and giving some strokes of golden metallic color to add some shine to it. I had this type of stone lace thought to use here. You can use any golden lace if you have, or you can buy this from any craft shop. You can keep in any way, though we have used 2 glass jars upside down. There is no wrong side or right side of keeping. You can make it a table lamp using this type of candles or LED lights. Or you can keep real flowers, artificial flowers in it to make a flower vase. Also, glass jars are good for plants which normally grows in the water, like money plants, bamboo plants. So you can keep your live plants in it, and the best part is, while keeping the live plants, you also can use the lights. Now for second DIY, I'm taking again 1 pickle jar. These are some glass pebbles I had purchased last year for my indoor planters. Thought to reuse here. To stick the pebbles, I'm using glue gun and strong glue both. Glue like this will take at least 15 to 20 seconds to dry, so we'll use glue gun too for sticking them instant. You can use only glue gun, but that may not be strong enough to hold the glass pebbles long, because both surfaces are smooth and a little hard touch can cause the pebbles to fall. Instant and strong glue like Fevibond and Febiquick will also do. You can try them. So after sticking all the pebbles, here is the outcome. Like our first DIY, you can use it in several ways. Now for the third DIY, I'm using this sauce bottle, and here is the paste I have made only using the wall putty and water. These are some unwanted papers using here. Fold it as much as you require and roll like this. Now I'm making it wet completely so that it can hold the putty mixture nicely. Now spread the mixture on it. Basically what we are doing, we are trying to give it a cylindrical shape. After spreading the wall putty mixture all over the paper, taking some water and making the surface smooth. Then keep this at least 3 hours to dry. After that, take a sandpaper and make it smooth. You can keep as it is, but I'm doing some simple design on it, just taking a scale and making some lines. Now clean all the dust and color whatever color you like. I'm doing this golden by using the golden metallic color. And here our third DIY is complete. You can use it as a candle holder, as a vase and as a table lamp. This is our fourth DIY, which is very easy to make, using this empty chutney jar for this, and you will need this glass color. This type of black outliner comes with a glass color. You can use it, but I'm using golden 3D outliner here. Simply making some outlines of leaf designs. You can make any designs as your choice. Now I'm filling them with a green shade of glass color. Just take some amount of colors and spread. Though glass colors are liquid in form, if you pour more colors, they may flow down and spoil your design. So watch it while doing. After filling the colors, I'll suggest to dry it as soon as possible to avoid the colors to flow down, and you can use a hair dryer to dry it quickly. Now we will decorate our jar cap. For that I'm taking molded clay and making a shape like modak and some beads. Keeping couple of time to dry them, and then we will color it. I'm using golden acrylic color and black color both. Try to give it a double coat. After the color dries, taking a thread for the beads. Now tie the thread around the jar like this, and your mason jar is ready. You can keep your dry fruits, candies or cookies in it and use it as a multi-purpose storage jar. So that's all for today's video. Please hit the like button if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe below. We will meet soon in our next video with some interesting idea. Till then, bye bye, stay blessed, stay happy.